Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to add Google Tag Manager code in your WordPress website. So there are two different ways. So the way one using the plugin. So for that in the WordPress dashboard go to plugins, then click on add new plugins. In the search bar type insert header and footer. Now here you can see the plugin WP code. Install that plugin. Click on install now. Now click on activate. Now our plugin has been activated. You can find that plugin here in the sidebar for snippet. Click on that. Now add new as we are adding the custom code. So click on add your custom code HTML snippet. Now copy the Google Tag Manager code. Paste. Now save the snippet. Now our Google Tag Manager code has been added. Now I will show you the way to. For that go to appearance. Then click on theme file editor. Then in the right hand side on the theme file, scroll down and find the theme header. Click on that. Now in the header you can add that same code, but when you are adding code in this way, just keep in mind, if you make any mistake then it will break your WordPress website.